Dear students, let us take some programs on strings. So, string means is a set of characters. Set of characters is a string. So, how we can read the string? Let us see here. If you want to read any string, we are using char here and some brackets, and you can write within double quotes. Now it is stored. So, if you want to print this, percentage s. Percentage s means it is string. Let us run this. So what is happening here? Just we are reading a string and printing. That's it. Just reading and printing. So what is happening? How it is storing here? See. So it is also one dimensional array. The name of the array is str. Here and m I m s. So it is str of 0. It is index 1, 3, and the last one is null character. It is /0. This is null character. Null character. So null character is indicating it is a termination for the string. It is a termination for the string. So if you want to read also you can read. Suppose if you want to read within scanf. So I am using some 20 characters. Percentages. Format specifier percentages. Like this also you can consider. This is for reading. This is for printing. What is happening here? Suppose if I am taking one number, okay, that is stored. Suppose if I am taking any other string, there was a space Telangana, but it is taking only Hyderabad. So it is not taking space. So in scanf space itself is the terminator. Scanf. So if you don't want scanf, so you can go for fgetis. Fgetis is the fgetis. You have to use str and how many characters? stdif. This you can use. So it will take till enter. It continue. It continue till enter. So it includes spaces also. Spaces also. It includes spaces also. It includes spaces also in string. Spaces also in string. Run this. Here I am giving both it and both enter. So even space also considers. So it will consider till enter. So if you want to include the spaces also, you have to give fgetS. Otherwise, just if only scan, you can consider. If you want to read only one word, okay, only one word. Now it is also taking the same way array pattern it is taking. So now let us try to find the length of the string. How to calculate the length of the string? To calculate length of the string, I am using the count, count variable while str of I. So how long we should continue? We should continue till null character. This is null character /0. Okay, as long as this is 0, count should be increased. I also we have to increase. Now let us see here. Two statements are there. That is why I am taking block. Now what will happen? Let us see here. So I am taking one string. Right. Let us consider this. So this is 0, 1. So the name of this is str. So first what will happen? C equal to 0. C becomes 0. So I also we have to make it 0 actually. We should make I also 0. We should make I also 0 here. Any loop, it consists initialization and condition checking and increment. Okay. I equal to 0. Next it will come to here. str of 1. str of 0. str of 0. What is str of 0? H. H means not equal to null character. Not equal to null character means condition true. Condition true means it will enter here. It will enter. So C becomes 1. Next it will come to here also. I becomes 1. Right. Next it will go to again condition checking. Again now it is checking str of 1. What is str of 1? Y. Y means it is not a null character. It's a null character actually. Third one is null character. So it is not null character. So condition true, condition true. So again it is entering inside and this becomes 2. C becomes 2 and I also becomes 2. And again go upside, follow the chart. You can follow the flow. Next, str of what is str of 2? str of 2 is D. It is also not equal to null character. Yes, condition true. Condition true means it will come inside. C increment. Next I increment. Next again it is going up. Okay. And now str of 3. str of I value 3. str of 3. So str of 3 not equal to null character. Yes. So it is condition false. Condition false here. Condition false means it will come out directly. Whenever condition is false, it is coming out of the blank. Condition is false. Condition is true, this will inside. If it is false, it is coming out. It is coming out. Okay. So now the number of characters stored in C. And C and I both are same actually. I can use one also. Even I can use. I need not use C. Both are representing same. So I need not use C variable here, not required. So I indicates 3. 3 means it is the length of the character. HYD, length of the character. So like this also you can do. Okay. So let us try to execute this program. So here I can go for IRC. Okay. I am taking I only. Even I plus plus. I plus plus I am taking. It's only one statement I am taking. So not required the block also. Whenever there is only one statement for the loop, repetition is happening only for one statement. So the block also not required. Okay. So now let us come to here. Come here and percentage it is. String length stored in I. String length stored in I. Sim. I not declared. How many characters it is? Total 10 characters. Actually 9 it is taking, 9 characters, but including null character it is taking. So whenever it is the FKTS, for FKTS it is taking null character also. Okay. Let's see. Total it is actually 5 by 10, including space 11, but we are getting 12 because null characters also it takes. Null characters also it takes. So 11 plus null character, total 12 characters it is taking. If you don't want that null character, okay, so you can do one thing. You can take minus 1. So after getting I, you can take minus 1 again. So I minus 1. If you don't want this, I minus 1 total. Now it is null character. Total it is 11 characters, including space. Including space. 10 characters. Yes, you can consider. You can use if scanf also actually instead of fgetS, but you need to do one thing here. After percentage bracket cap symbol you have to use. Cap symbol slash. This also you can use. So it will also take spaces. Cap slash and spaces. Let us see here. Total 9 characters. It is giving correctly. It will accept the spaces also. Actually, when you are taking this FGTS, I minus 1 not required actually. For scanf, I minus 1 is not required. For FGTS, I minus 1 is required. See, certain characters. So if scanf, it will not consider a null character, but FGTS, it considers a character also. Consider null character also. This is regarding FGTS and scanf. Next, you can go for print instead of taking printer, you can go for puts. Puts is another. Puts is another function. This you can use str. This also you can consider. Puts for printing a string. For printing a string. Printf means it will print integers, characters, float, all strings and all. But puts is only for string. So it is pattern characters. Printing nice and so this is regarding strings, how we are reading the string and how we are printing and how we are calculating the length of the string. Okay. So next program, let us compare. Let us print the reverse string. How to print reverse string? Okay. Next program. So this reading part is everything is same. So here I am taking another string, str and some see the str1. Let us consider str1. Let us take str2 is another string. Str2 is another string. Let us compare are they same or not. Let us compare. Reverse string. We want reverse string. No? So we will print the str1 reverse string in str2. So what we can do. So this str1 this is all okay. Where to store? How to store? Reverse string. Suppose if I am considering n, m, I, m, s. It's a null character. This is str1. Starts index from 0, 1, 3, 4. Now str2 let us consider. So what should happen? Here also this is the this s should come here. S should be printed here. Next m should be printed here. You will see. This process should happen. Next I, next m, next n, next null character. So reverse. But this way to start here, we have to start actually this 4. str1 of 4. The last character should come in the first place. Last character of str1 should come in the first place of str2. So how do you know last character? So to know last character, we are using length of the string. Okay. This length of the string we can use. So length of the string is indicating this I is indicating length of the string. Okay. So I means it will give 5. 5. So what I can do, I can take this 4. How I am getting 4? I minus 1, I can get 4. I minus 1. So let us consider I is the, let us take j variable. J is equal to I minus 1. J is equal to I minus 1. How long we should go str? How long we should go actually? First 4, next 3, next I. this. Next I comes to here. Next one comes to here. Next this n comes to here. So reversely we are going. Reversely means from 5 to 0. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Reversely we are going. Reversely means to reversely up to 0. So I can consider greater than or equal to 0 reversely. And decrement is happening. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Decrement is happening. Now what I can do? Here I am taking another string. str2. str2 of some k value I am taking. K. Here comma k equal to 0. And this is str1 of, and k should be incremented. All increments we can do here. They should be increased. So this will go 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and till 0 it comes. After this, we have to show the str of k. It should be the null character. It should be the null character. If it is null character, it is indicating that the string is going to terminate. So now let us print str1 and str2. Let us see. String. Given string. First we are taking given string. Next we are taking reverse string. Reverse string is stored in str2. Let us see here. What is the output? We did not declare J. We also not declare. Saying it is str1 actually. So here I am writing reverse. Reverse string also I am writing SMIM. Reverse string also I am writing. So I can consider the spaces also. That's also I am writing. So this is reverse. Suppose if you want to know whether it is palindrome string or not, that also we can verify whether two strings are equal or not. Okay, that we can do, and comparison is possible or not, that we can do. Comparing the two strings are equal or not. Okay, so we cannot take directly like two strings are equal, like numbers we cannot do. Numbers we can do whether 2 and 3 are equal or not. This comparison is possible. Suppose 2 equivalent to 3, this is possible. So it will return 2 equal to 3. Is it true? No, false. Okay. So this comparison is possible in numbers. But suppose if I am taking two strings here, okay. Suppose vi dy. Is it equal to SAGR? So this comparison is not possible in strings. So in strings it is not possible. Here it is possible. This comparison is possible in numbers. In strings it is not possible. For this also we have to compare whether first character of this str1 is equal to s or not. These two are equal or not. Next second character is equal or not. So if it is not equal, same, stop there itself, and you can say that these two are different strings. If all are matching, length also matching, characters also matching, then you can say it is equal. Okay. So for that also we will take one comparison. Comparison how we are taking comparison. Strings. How we can compare two strings we are taking. Enter string one and another string also we are taking. Two strings I am taking. str. Now let us verify. First, we have to check whether strings are equal or not. Okay. For that, first let us find the length. To find the length, we can use this program. Otherwise, there is one function also there. strln. strln for length of the string. That also you can do. That you can do. Otherwise, first let us compare. N1, N1 is equal to strln. Yeah. Second length. This is L1. Let us consider length of the first string. L2, length of the. These are predefined function. Okay, we are not writing the code for it. Predefined functions. Now let us verify. First two strings must be equal. If length must be equal, then only we have to proceed. Otherwise, we should not proceed. Suppose if these two are equal, length is equal. Length is not equal, directly you can say that else when strings are not equal. Even strings are not equal. So if it is equal, so then we are matching. First character is same or not. Second character is same or not. Okay. So let us verify. How long we have to check? How long we have to check? Generally, if they are equal, generally. So what happens here? So first V and S we are checking. S we are checking and V we are checking. These two are equal or not. Okay. If these two are equal, okay, then we are going to the next step. Like that we are checking. Okay. These first characters are equal, then we are going towards second character with the I. So like this, one by one we are checking. So how long we are checking? Only half. Half is enough. If the total are free, suppose this and this. Next D and G. Okay, this character are same or not. Okay, so like this we are checking one by one. Okay, so here what we can do. How long we can check? There generally we can check till null character can we consider? Can we consider str1 of what is I value should be 0 starting from I 0. Next, what we are doing here. So if str1 of I is not equal to str2 of L2. L2 means L2 reverse we are coming. Okay, str of L2. Here we are taking some reversely we are coming. Reversely means L is equal to this is L2. L2 means how much we are getting L2 5 characters. But we don't want 5. 5 means null character, no? It should be 4. So L2 minus 1. So we are coming reversely. STR of first character of STR1 and last character of STR2. First character of STR1 and first character only. We are checking first character only. So this is not required. STR1 of I only we are checking. If these two are equal, if these two are equal, then directly we can say that suppose not equal. Directly we can say that flag equal to 0. So you can consider here flag equal to 1. So once if it is not equal, V and S are not equal. So there is no need of checking further. Further checking not required. Okay, when they are not equal, so we are taking one mark. That mark is flag equal to 0. So when they are not equal, further checking not required. Further checking not required. So we are breaking the loop. If it is equal, then it will go to the next. Okay. I press. So like that it will check. The two strings are equal or not. If all are equal, suppose all are equal, then flag will be 1 only. Flag won't become 0. Flag is 1, then I can consider it is I can consider it is flag is 1. So yes. So, okay. So how many variables we are using? I we are using and flag we are using, L1 we are using, L2 we are using, L1. I know just it is a marking, okay? They are not equal. When they are not equal, so we are taking one mark, flag equal to 0. Flag equal. When they are not equal, further checking not equal. So it is breaking. So flag 1 means they are equal. So now let us see. So I'm taking the string, not asking the second string sometimes. Asking second string. So when it is not asking the second string, you can do one thing. Get char you can use. Get char. First string, second string it is asked. So you see, two strings are equal. Now let us see. So if any string, first string it is asking. So without asking directly second string, if it is going to the next line, it is not asking second string. It is not accepting the second string reading. So you can go for get char. Get char you can insert. So this is regarding comparison. So for comparison purpose, there is a function strcmp function is there. Actually, I'm giving the code actually, but strlen is there. That is first string and strcmp comparison. Okay, it is for comparison. strcpy is for copying purpose. Copy, copying string is for comparison. Comparison and strlen and strlen, strcpy, strcat also there. Concatenation. Okay, connecting two strings. Combining two strings. Combining two strings. Concatenation. strcpy, strlen for length. strlen for length. So all these are predefined functions, predefined built-in functions. We can use directly. Otherwise, just I am concentrating on the coding. Okay. So these functions also, if you want, you can do strlen, strcmp, strcpy. Okay. So remaining concepts you will see in the next video. This is all regarding strings.